current, electricity and its effects. Under that, classification of materials in terms of conductivity. 1. Conductors, insulators, semiconductors and superconductors. Like that, four categories we can make the materials. Then we can divide this according to the conductivity of material, conductivity of current only. This is only for this electricity, current and electricity purpose only, this categorization. So one is conductors. These are those materials whose electrical conductivity is very high. So example, silver, aluminum, etc. And for these conductors, when small voltage is also applied, then these metals allow the current to pass through it. They are called conductors. The example, silver and aluminum, etc. Insulators are those whose material, whose electrical conductivity is either very very small or nil. See, some materials, when applied some voltage to that, then they don't allow the current to pass through it. Then almost negligence, nil. So that type of materials are called insulators. Examples are glass and rubber, etc. Semiconductors. So some materials, they will behave, their behavior to the current will be in between these two, conductors and insulators. They are called semiconductors. These are those materials whose electrical conductivity lies between that of insulators and conductors. The example, germanium, silver, etc. When they are applied, these are called semiconductors. Semiconductors, when applied heat, temperature, they will allow the current to pass through it. So then one more type is superconductor. These are also metals. When few metals are cooled, then below a certain critical temperature, their electrical resistance suddenly becomes zero. At normal temperature, they offer some temperature, some resistance, not conductors or semiconductors, but they allow some resistance and allow the current to pass. But when they are cooled to certain temperature, their resistance will suddenly becomes zero, abnormally zero. So then in this state, these substances are called superconductors, and this phenomenon is called superconductivity. Mercury becomes superconductor at 4.2 K. So this 4.2 K you can convert into Celsius is C is equal to K minus 273. So this 4.2 equal to 4.2 minus 273 equal to minus 268.8 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, mercury becomes superconductor. Same way, lead becomes superconductor at 7.25 Kelvin.